And looking at her face, I think she does this only.
Dismiss.
Asha's like, I've done that.
Yeah, same. Dismiss.
Hello. Like there are times when my best friend we share a couple of circles and we know what's happening in both circles. Both of us are like,
Ye side chat.
ये वहाँ side chat. We'll talk about this later.
When someone asks for a favor.
Charged.
Dismissed.
Be honest. How often do you buy something just to feel better? Always.
Same.
When I'm confused between two, I buy both. Ladies, ask. I, as an audience, I'm very disappointed with the kind of work we're doing. It's a shame that we can't produce good stories. It's a shame. I'm very disappointed that we are not producing good stuff, especially Hindi industry.
वैसे भी स्लो चल रहा है, ऑफर्स भी स्लो ही हैं, एंड उसमें से भी यू हैव टू छांटना पड़ता है.
If you want Deepika, you'll want it, no? And if you don't want, then you disagree.
Yeah.
But I think she's just exercising her right to put it out there. Why
Absolutely.
not? 20 years since Makadi to now, one thing that I really see is there's so much more dialogue and so many more female crew members. ऐसा नहीं है. I've worked on projects where I'm paid much more than my male counterpart.
Cool.
I don't want to waste my audience's time.
Oh, will I be able to do it or not?
I messed up. My fault. But if it's not my fault, she's like, never come back home crying. And I'm like,
Hi guys, welcome to the Super Womania show. मैं हूँ स्तुति और मेरे साथ जो हैं we plan to do full justice with the time that we have with them. Criminal Justice 4. Asha Negi and Shweta Basu Prasad here. So excited to have you ladies here.
thank you, Stuti.
Thank you.
Pretty women, make some noise. Okay, we're going to play a game called Charge or Dismiss. ठीक है? Criminal Justice में बड़ी investigation हो रही है, बड़ा हो रहा है. तो आप basically when you charge, you mean they're guilty. Or dismiss is innocent. ठीक है? So if someone is snooping through their partner's phone when the partner's in the shower, so you will charge them or
Charge. Charge.
privacy is important.
Yeah.
Privacy, yeah, charge.
ठीक है. Pretending to be on a call to avoid talking to someone you see in public. And looking at her face, I think she does this only.
Dismiss.
Asha's like, I've done that.
Yeah, same. Dismiss.
Hello.
Okay. Saying I'm on the way when you haven't even left home.
Charged.
Dismiss.
अब मुझे लग रहा है ये अपने ये आशीष like हाँ ये तो मैं करती हूँ ये नहीं होगा. Okay. Judging someone's playlist out loud.
Oh, dismiss.
Dismiss.
Not cool.
No.
Okay. Sharing your friend's secret with your best friend because they're technically not the same person.
Dismiss.
Yeah, dismiss. No.
Best friend is best friend, yeah.
Best friend is like,
You share everything with best friend.
yeah.
Not bad. Okay, ठीक है. Okay.
Like there are times when my best friend we share a couple of circles and we know what's happening in both circles. Both of us are like,
ये side chat.
ये वहाँ side chat. We'll talk about this later.
I like this. Okay. Deliberately ignoring the group chat when someone asks for a favor.
Oh, charged. Oh.
Dismissed.
Asha's fully like.
Who named you Asha? Asha means hope.
Right. Nirasha. Full.
I like this. Okay.
People know me. They've accepted me.
She's MIA, missing in action.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Faking being sick to avoid a plan you said yes to weeks ago.
Oh, God.
Dismiss.
Asha अपने ऊपर कुछ ले ही नहीं
I'm
रही.
not sick. Yeah, but like faking, right? Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Ordering dessert but insisting you're on diet, then finishing everyone else's fries.
Dismiss.
Charged. No.
You don't. Do you cheat on your diet?
When I cheat, then I cheat. I don't eat from other people's plate. Yeah.
I don't follow a diet, so.
We hate you even more. Are you telling me you're naturally gifted and you have great metabolism? Don't talk. to us.
No, I'm always hungry. I'm always eating. I kid you not.
Posting vague, sad stories just to see who checks in.
Dismiss.
ये बहुत ही ऐसे मतलब सुफिकोट टाइप लगा के.
I think charged. Yeah.
Charged.
Yeah, I used to be this.
Charged
Not anymore.
matlab guilty, no?
हाँ, हाँ.
Oh, then charged. Yeah. I've been saying it wrong. Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's wrong. I'm also confused.
I've been saying everything wrong then. Guilty, basically guilty.
No, I took what I had to. Basically, she was saying dismiss when she was guilty of doing those things.
And I've been saying dismiss when I've been saying dismiss
Lovely.
matlab
This is a successful franchise. इसका हिस्सा बनना कि अब complaints आ रही हैं कि जी एक साथ क्यों नहीं episode release कर रहे हो? We really want to watch it. What are some of the other pulls? I mean, one understands that you want to be associated with it because it's a popular franchise.
Yeah.
But what are some of the other pulls for young actors to say yes to a project?
Well, I mean, for me, usually I'm an audience first and an actor after that. So मेरे लिए हमेशा ये होता है कि would I want to watch this? क्योंकि अगर मैं इसमें अपना टाइम और एनर्जी नहीं वेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ then I will not come and promote and ask people to subscribe to this channel and you know I don't want to waste my audience's time. There's a certain credibility to the work that I do and I don't want the audience to think, of course every project has its fate, वो अच्छी लगे बुरी लगे वो तो subjective है, but कोशिश यही रहती है कि हाँ it's never like oh it's got popular face and you know it's a popular franchise or it's so and so and you just say yes. I do give it a read. I do weigh things creatively first and as I said as an audience. So I don't know, I think young actors को ऐसा कोई message नहीं है. I mean, I'm also learning and, you know, making and learning from those mistakes also. But I think it's very important to do work that you're aligned with, and that could be anything. You want to work for money and do commercial stuff. You want to dance, do that. You want to sing, do that. You want to be part of projects where, you know, like Criminal Justice, where you want to really you know that's your calling, then do that. But I think it's very important to be honest to your work because I truly believe it's an extension of who we are.
You know, Asha, like you've always said कि girl next door का जो image एक आपके साथ जुड़ा होता है, you also somewhere consciously want to break that.
Yeah.
And was Roshni something in that zone?
It was. It had, like, Roshni as a character had a lot to play. And, you know, lately I've been very inclined towards playing characters which feel challenging, which make me feel, oh, will I be able to do it or not? Something, when that hits, that, okay, you know, will I be able to deliver? Will I be able to do this particular characters? When I understand that, okay, I should do it because this is how the character is making me feel.
Yeah.
I'm not feeling, oh, easy peasy, yeah, I'll go ahead and do it. So lately I've been very inclined towards such characters, and Roshni did make me feel like that. Also, working with such phenomenal actors is like a great opportunity, a great director, a great team. So yeah, that also plays a very important part.
As actors, are you feeling that? Are you, because I know a lot of people who are working on projects, writers, directors, who feel like things have slowed down. And as actors, आपको वो लगता है कि वो उस तरीके का काम ऑफर ही नहीं हो रहा है या बन नहीं रहा है या प्रोजेक्ट्स ग्रीनलिट नहीं हो रहे हैं?
नहीं ऑफर हो रहे हैं. There are work that's happening, but a lot of those are also franchises. They are also the season 2s and 3s and 4s of works that we have already done. The new projects, yeah, the work is definitely slow in the last 1.5 2 years. I, as an audience, I'm very disappointed with the kind of work we're doing. With a country as rich as our heritage and the kind of stories that we have in our country, so many stories, so many cultures, we are so diverse. You know, we have landscape wise, culture wise, music wise, poetry wise, literature wise, so much. And you know, as an audience, we have consumed over centuries these things. It's a shame that we can't produce good stories. It's a shame. I'm very disappointed that we are not producing good stuff, especially Hindi industry.
So I'm so glad you're saying that. That's the honest. Yeah. Asha, what about you? Your experience about किस तरीके के role offer हो रहे हैं?
It has been slow. Last year was slow. And since past, I think 2 years, it's been a little slow.
Yeah.
See, work-wise, I would say उतना ऑफर नहीं हो रहा जितना होता था पहले, जितने ऑप्शंस मिलते थे पहले. बट जितने ऑफर हो रहे हैं ना, उसमें भी लाइक देयर आर वेरी सिलेक्टिव दैट यू वांट टू डू, यू वांट टू गो अहेड विद, लाइक
जो आपको लगता है चैलेंज हो रहा है कि यार दिस इज वर्थ माय टाइम.
This is worth my time. This is the kind of work that I now want to do in future. Like how I would want to be associated with. So वो बहुत कम हो गया है. So is why then you also want to be selective and just don't want to put yourself out there just for the sake of doing something.
Yeah.
So वैसे भी स्लो चल रहा है, ऑफर्स भी स्लो ही हैं, एंड उसमें से भी यू हैव टू छांटना पड़ता है. So it's become less.
And why do you think this is happening? I mean, this people across board feel this, but have you guys been able to figure out why this is happening? कि वो diversity, is it because you're wanting diversity in particularly the women leads, the female characters, which is not.
I don't know. I can't really answer that question because I'm not green lighting stuff. I'm not pitching stuff, not as actively as other writers, directors at least. But one thing I can surely say 100% is it's not the audience fault. How is audience watching? रात के 2-2, 3-3 बजे के shows लगे थे Oppenheimer के. Houseful जा रहे. मंजुमल बॉयज फुल जा रहे हैं. आई हैव सीन मंजुमल बॉयज. इट्स अ ब्रिलियंट मलयाली फिल्म. मैंने थिएटर में देखा, पहली बार देखा, छोटे थिएटर में लगा था, फिर वो साइज बड़ा हो गया और फिर भी इन देवर यू नो all it's not like language कोई barrier था. People are watching it with subtitles. People are watching gold cinema. People re-release हो रहे films वो देखने जा रहे हैं. तुम्बाड़, I couldn't find tickets for तुम्बाड़.
Yeah.
So that says something ना, that तुम्बाड़ भी release हो रहा है तो लोग देख रहे हैं. Adolescence is a hit.
People really want something.
Adolescence is a hit. How is Adolescence a hit then? So it's, you can't say that audience is dumb. No. Audience is not dumb. I think we need to really stop. I have so much respect for audience. I think it's because of audience that we do this business, you know. That's why we work and we do what we do. So I don't think ये बोलना कि audience को समझ नहीं आएगा. I think audience is really intelligent, very smart. They have always supported good cinema. Whether it's Doordarshan era, there was cinema. There were उसके पहले के films थे. I think they consume what as an industry we produce. So the question is not the audience, for sure.
This is music to our ears. And you know, and that's
I don't
why
know whose
it's-
fault it is, but
वो तो हम
not audience. for
Yeah, yeah. When it comes to money, okay, moolah talk. Even now, when you're negotiating, झिझक होती है कि कैसे, how do I ask for
No.
what I think I deserve? Yeah.
No, I ask.
You seem to have aced it,
Yeah,
huh?
I ask for what I deserve, and I don't work if I don't get what I want.
Shweta, I love this.
Thank you.
With this look, without blinking and flinching, you're like, itna, otherwise no. Very cool, very cool. And have you moved away from projects when you felt like ye nahi milegi?
Absolutely.
Absolute. I love this. What about you, Asha?
I stick to what I want, but then I sometimes do not give it so much priority if the project is something that
Of course,
I'm
yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
I'm okay doing थोड़ा
Yeah,
ऊपर
yeah, I've
नीचे
done
for-
projects for free and for like
steep
this
pay parity है जो मतलब जो कई बार ridiculous हरकतों तक पहुंच जाती है and
ऐसा नहीं है. I've worked on projects where I'm paid much more than my male counterpart.
oh lovely.
Absolutely.
So that is happening.
Absolutely. And I think it's come to a point where it's, of course, I speak for myself. I'm sure there are actors and there are female technicians who disagree. So I'm not trying to really absolutely
Say it on
dismiss
anybody's
that. I'm not
behalf.
dismissing that at all. So I don't speak for everyone, but I have worked on project where I have been given a bigger vanity or a staff and others have not because they are still comparatively new. And I worked on projects where, you know, so I think it's become very you know, I think थोड़ा सा gender neutral तो हुआ है.
Experience से भी आता है Shweta that you've been in this.
Absolutely, maybe.
So you've also learnt on the job how to.
Yeah, sure. I think
क्योंकि
I think it's pretty
imposter
basic.
syndrome is
no?
something that a lot of women go through, right? कि can I ask, like, you know?
Ladies, ask.
You know, I'm still learning to feel that confidence that okay, this is what I want and I will not.
Yeah. See, I think the fear is also that if you lose the work, somebody, you know, that
Exactly,
fear
yeah.
of losing the
Do
work.
you want
it's
to
a-
let
yeah.
go of the work
Yeah.
because of this much?
No, no, as I said, you know, I have worked on projects where money is not the top priority, but where I know that, you know, this project is capable of
And ये
paying
budget
me.
है ना,
Yeah,
why not?
then why
yeah,
not?
Yeah. And so again, the problem in our society कि अगर you have a confident woman who actually says what she feels like, फिर उसको भी तो नाम दिए जाते हैं ना, like being bossy or, you know, how can she, you know, we recently had that with Deepika Padukone stating that this is how, you know, she wants specific working hours, she wants a certain budget, and that didn't go down well. Do you
I have no idea about this. I don't know about this news. But if it's, I mean, she's a working professional, and anybody who
She
wants
said
to put
after a
that,
child, she
she's
doesn't want to
also a
work
child.
there. Yeah, 6 to 8 hours. She.
I don't know. As I said, I don't know about these clauses that Deepika has put out. But if she has, it's her choice. It's, you know, her career.
Exactly.
And I mean, she's allowed to put it out. You disagree, you disagree. You're right.
Exactly.
I mean, if you want Deepika, you'll want it, no? And if you don't want, then you disagree. But I think she's just exercising her right to put it out there. Why not?
Absolutely, yeah. Asha, what do you feel about that?
Yeah, I mean, she's a new mother.
Yeah.
She's also new to this whole process, and I mean, I don't think that there's anything wrong in prioritizing family, your child.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Also, I don't know how many fathers would do it. So maybe it's a new concept also. I don't know how many
I
fathers will
think it
say,
is a- yeah.
I don't know how many fathers will say that I'm going to work 6 hours because I want to go home and play with my son or my daughter. So maybe it's a concept which is very new,
New to
which is very natural to a woman. And because women work now, you're like, but men have also been parents for so long.
No,
And I
but
know
you're
parents
absolutely
who- and I
right
know-
that if you want Deepika, then you agree to those terms. Otherwise,
But I'm sure even fathers, a lot of fathers do that, yeah, that, I want to. I have worked with people who have been like, yeah, I have to go home now. 6 baje I have to go home because I have to spend time with my newborn baby. So I know men also who do that. So
But
aisa
I
nahi
also
hai that
feel
it's
times are also changing
Yeah.
in this way. Like now people are getting used to people like Deepika who are asking for their priorities and their time. And likewise, when it comes to men, they are also prioritizing their family now. And
Yeah.
it's not just about the work
Yeah.
or okay.
And I think it's that generation that's going through this transition. So it's okay. I mean, if some call
Yeah,
it
it
bossy,
is,
some
yeah.
call it, some are going to agree with it, some are going to disagree with
I think
it.
eventually people will be okay with
But
it.
they will understand. Everyone's going to have their own experiences.
yeah.
So it's okay. Even if people who are not understanding, it's okay.
Chalo, now we are doing what do women want, okay? So basically, we have a set of questions जो हमने इस bowl में डाले and I want you to pick up a shit and talk to us about it.
Okay. Oh, why do we compliment other women more easily than we do ourselves? Oh, I think we end up being very harsh to ourselves. Yeah, we judge ourselves a lot. I feel a lot of times we feel a little bit of discomfort in doing something because other people will judge us. It's not them. It's because we are judging ourselves. I've thought about this a lot. It's
That's
not okay if I want to wear something. I'll be like, नहीं, but लोग क्या वो वहाँ पे लोग क्या सोचेंगे about my dress? But it is actually me who's judging myself for wearing that. And once you get over that insecurity of yours, it will not matter to you. So it is about you. And I feel we end up being very harsh to ourselves and kinder to other people. We can be kinder to other people
And be kind to
and maybe
ourselves.
more
Yeah,
kinder
yeah.
to ourselves.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay. Be honest. How often do you buy something just to feel better? Always.
Same.
When I'm confused between two, I buy both.
Both. अरे तो हमारे type के lovely. Okay, one more again.
Why do women see a red flag and feel I can fix him?
Tell us why we are like this.
Because we love projects. Guys, it's a sign. It's a sign you need to start business. You need to be an entrepreneur. And yeah, it's a sign that you have entrepreneurial qualities. And you're
पर ये failed
management.
business है इसको छोड़
But
दो.
ये failed business है. इस पे कोई मुनाफा नहीं है. Fix how? Fix who?
And we also feel हमारे साथ अलग होगा. मतलब सब मैं ठीक है मेरे साथ बिल्कुल अलग होगा.
मैं करूँगी इसको.
मैं इस क्वेश्चन को फाड़ देना चाहती हूँ.
I love it.
I swear that is what's something you wish women talked about more openly. I feel complimenting.
Yeah,
We are
absolutely.
doing it, but I feel more of it.
Yeah.
We need to compliment.
Cool dress, man.
Yeah. Lovely color. I love the white one. Thank you.
Nice vest. Nice sweater. And compliment guys also. I think we should also like buy boys the flowers. Get them flowers.
That's a whole different conversation, but yeah. But yeah. उसमें अलग मतलब floodgates will open. Yeah, please.
What's a woman's secret no one told you growing up but you wish someone had? But Pata, I think some things you need to know with experience only. Although I do believe a lot of things I should have known, but everything I think has a specific age and time and space. And sometimes you need to learn that only by experience. Your friends and definitely not your family can teach you that. But I think what a woman's secret, I think something general, I think my family told me you can do anything. My nanny used to work at Tata Steel. And, my mom has been like, choose anything, marry anyone, date anybody. So actually, I've been one of those,
Wow, lucky one.
yeah, like,
Blessed.
woo, do anything. Yeah. My dad was like, you want to study, you want to grow up and become an actor, become that, or you want to go abroad, study, do that. You want to start a business, do that. When I was making a documentary, I told you, he was like, parents were like totally supportive. But yeah, that's like more growing up this thing. But a woman's secret, I don't know. What would it be?
I think it's
I don't know. I think certain things you learn with time. I
Learn
feel.
with time.
Mine's a fun one. Why do we have a closet full of clothes but nothing to wear?
Oh,
This happened
tell
maybe 2
us.
days back, and it happens like almost every 10
Yeah.
days. I have a closet full of clothes and कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता है. But I don't know, is it hormones that make us feel कि कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है and ये fit नहीं हो रहा है, ये कितना
It's
गंदा
just
लग रहा
never
है.
enough, I think. We only get bored looking at our clothes, I think.
Yeah, it could be that also.
I genuinely have never heard a man say मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है पहनने को."
I have a walk-in closet in my house. Like one of the bedrooms is a converted walk-in closet. One of my friend's fiance, like my friend and her fiance were at home, and he's like, "ये सब तेरा है." I'm like, "हाँ, ये सब मेरा है." So I think for them they're like, इतनी varieties. They're like, यार हमारा तो some boys are like so sorted with their कपड़ा.
Why do we keep giving bare minimum men the girlfriend experience? Because I think we have that hope कि एक ना एक
आशा
दिन तो
हमारे लिए आशा है.
आशा रखते हैं हम कि एक ना एक दिन तो जरूर बदलेगा.
But
एक ना एक दिन तो इसको मेरी कीमत का एहसास होगा.
नहीं बहन नहीं सकी.
अपनी कीमत का एहसास करो.
खुद ही कर लो तुम. Correct.
Potential that we see ना.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oof. Please see people for what they are,
and not the
what you
potential.
want them to be.
There's something very interesting. Someone told me that if you cannot relate, there cannot be a relationship.
Yeah.
And that's with anybody. That's with friends. That's with, you know, your
yeah.
anyone.
Yeah,
Especially
everyone.
relationships.
Yeah.
What's something your mom taught you that still lives in your bones? My mom said you can be anything.
And she's taking flight.
Yeah. And she also said, I think I was a kid, and she said, "Kabhi maar kha ke ghar nahi aana."
Arey, yes.
She said that if you're not wrong, never come back home crying. If you're wrong, never be the last one to apologize. Be the first one to apologize loudly.
What a lovely thing.
And she's like, if you're sorry, be clear, loud and clear, and say I am sorry. And I've always been that. Like even if I make a mistake, I'm the first one to message that I messed up, my fault. But if it's not my fault, she's like, never come back home crying. And I'm like,
Lovely. I love this. Huh?
Okay. What's one thing you tell every young girl doubting her worth right now? I feel that it's about the experience that when you live life is when you understand what your worth is, and I don't think this thing can be told by somebody. Yeah, you have to live life, you have to have your own experiences and then understand your worth. There'll be a lot of hardships. There'll be a lot of people you will disappoint, you will get disappointed by, and eventually you'll learn your worth. And also I think it's also a very 30s wala wo, because now when I'm in my 30s I understand my worth. I'm so sure,
Yeah.
I'm so secure.
So it's that whole journey one has to go through
has to go
before
through.
like you have to
Yeah.
go through Monica Geller to become Carrie Bradshaw.
Oh, ये तो line पे line. She's on a roll. Okay.
Okay. Why do we wear heels when it's so uncomfortable? Yes, girls, why? But I think it's an insecurity for height. I think more than anything because I see a lot of I used to do that. I'm not very tall.
You actually spoke about people making you feel.
Yeah, I was
bad.
bullied on a Telugu film set, and I don't know. I have never been comfortable with heels.
These are uncomfortable. किसने design करा था ये मतलब for God.
Some shoes are very comfortable. like
some
some
are
footwears are very
comfortable, yeah.
comfy, and I think that really makes a difference to your
It does.
posture. And do it for yourself. If it makes
Yeah.
you look good and it goes with your
Right.
sari or your dress or something, great. But don't wear it if it's uncomfortable. Like
But I think somewhere we women feel कि uncomfortable होगा पर fashion है तो करना पड़ेगा.
fashion,
But
yeah,
like,
whether it's
yeah.
insecurity for height, कि कंधे से कंधे मिला के चलना है, नहीं.
Uncomfortable किस हद तक? Sure.
Correct. So ये बोल तो देखिए इन्होंने खाली कर दिया है पर अभी आपका बोलना बंद नहीं हो सकता. हम एक undercover scoop चाहते हैं. Okay, so I'm going to say a few names and you have to tell me something that you want to investigate या पता लगाओ about them. Could be anything. Okay, like Vicky Kaushal. कोई चीज जो आपको इनके बारे में.
वो तौबा स्टेप कितने दिन में सीखा, है ना? कितना टाइम लगा सीखने में?
Yeah. Varun Dhawan.
Varun Dhawan. I remember this one segment from Coffee with Karan. वो इस चेहरे को पहचानते हैं. So maybe I don't know what to ask, but I love. अभी मुझे when you ask about Varun Dhawan मुझे वो याद आया. But like I find him very goofy, and yeah, I would love to investigate if he's actually like that.
Ah, not bad. Okay. Shah Rukh Khan, ladies.
What does he dream about?
Ab, after all.
No, like generally, what kind of dreams does he get?
Oh.
What kind of dreams does Shah Rukh Khan have?
वो बोलेंगे मैं सोता ही नहीं.
I swear. I swear.
But okay.
Yeah, Shah Rukh Khan. How does it feel to be Shah Rukh Khan every day? Waking up to be Shah Rukh Khan. Maybe that, how does it feel?
And waving from.
Yeah.
लोग अभी भी मन्नत के सामने खड़े होते हैं and I want to tell them कि वो अभी यहाँ नहीं है. वो दूसरी जगह रह रहे हैं. But that's what it is. हिमेश रेशमिया.
Oh. How is it to be Himesh Reshammiya? Waking up to
You are going to say that for every name that I
What is it like waking up
What
to
is
Lord
that
Himesh?
film you recently?
अभी ना वो
Badass Ravi.
Badass Ravi Kumar.
Badass Ravi Kumar. I just want to investigate everything about Badass Ravi Kumar.
We all want to do. Okay, have you seen it?
No.
Oh, it's crazy. Okay.
I've never had FOMO not going to a concert, but this one.
Yeah. I've been seeing reels about it.
It's been on my timeline, and I'm like, guys.
I've been ignoring that reels. I'm like, मेरा FOMO हो रहा है बहुत नीचे.
Okay, Sania Malhotra.
How is she such a goofy person and such a serious actor? Like she's so good with, you
She
know,
has a
she has such
solid
good
goofy
balance.
side. Yeah.
She's so balanced with her social media. She dances. She's fun. She's goofy, and then you know such a fab actor also.
Pankaj Tripathi.
Pankaj ji, क्या
इतना talented होने के बावजूद, how are you so easy? Like
It's
his
so humble and
presence.
simple.
Yeah, tell us a funny Pankaj Tripathi story. I'm sure you guys would have, right? How is he on set?
Funny तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं, but he's again very balanced and he's one of those actors जिनसे मिलके भी अच्छा लगता है. ऐसा ही नहीं कि सिर्फ काम अच्छा लगा है. You know, you also meet him and you're like, what a lovely human being also.
पर वैसे धीरे से श्वेता जी, वो धीरे बात.
हाँ, श्वेता जी नहीं श्वेता, but वो ऐसे धीरे. He's very soft spoken, and I've had some lovely conversations with Pankaj ji on set, on all the sets, and he has this childlike curiosity which is very innocent, and you know he's not ashamed of asking questions. He's not a know-it-all.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
yeah, which is beautiful.
ऐसा कोई story नहीं है, but he's always been so warm, so centered, so grounded. So yeah, it's always a very warm feeling to meet him.
Lovely. And for someone who's achieved that much,
Exactly,
it's great that
yeah.
he's still so connected. Achha, before I let you guys go, Father's Day is around the corner, and I'd want any memory, anything that you can share about your dad.
My dad had his own theatre group, and you know I've never done theatre as an actor, but I've always seen reading and blocking. Thanks to mom and dad, and I got very early exposure to literature, music, and cinema because of that. And I practiced the sitar. So it recently happened that Papa was reading a scene from a play, and he said compose something or you know play something on the sitar that goes with this. And mom and my brother were also there. We were all there, and he was just reading the scene, and I just kept playing the sitar. It was so nice.
Wow.
It's a very recent memory, so it's very beautiful.
Yeah. So, a message for your dad for Father's Day?
Message to my dad: Happy Father's Day, Dad.
I think it would be when I wanted to come to Mumbai
To be an actor?
to be an actor, and you know somebody from a small town middle class family, nobody was ready, and people around so they are of no help. In fact, they would.
Otherwise, वो तो और बोलेंगे अपनी बेटी को कहाँ भेज रहे हैं?
बहुत पर लग गए इसके तो है तो
हाँ लगे तो हैं.
उड़ के दिखाऊं. So yeah, I remember it was my mom and then my father who actually let me come to Mumbai. In fact, my sisters and other people around, the neighbors, everybody was against it. Like neighbors also.
So everybody has a say also. कि ये कहाँ
Exactly.
जाएगा.
I don't know how that mattered, but you know, going against all of that, it and also the youngest child in your family, it really, I feel it really requires guts and strength for them to let me come to Mumbai and fulfill my dream.
Very
or
nice.
Give it a try. So that is something that
कोई
I.
लाइन बोली थी पापा ने सब.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं, जाओ सिमरन जा चलिए अपनी जिंदगी ऐसा सब कुछ नहीं हुआ था, but yeah, like I'll always be very
Always
thankful
that
for-
silent presence in your life.
yeah.
Lovely, that is beautiful. Okay, like I said कि complaint से शुरू किया था, complaint से ही खत्म करेंगे. देर लग रही है आपके episodes आने में, बहुत मुश्किल हो रही है. But I want to say really enjoying it. Thank you so much. And you guys were amazing. Thank you for this real fun conversation.
Thank you. Lovely questions. Thank you so much.
Yeah.